Now, as the deadline for the action taken report nears, the BJP government in Karnataka has decided to return the illegal mining report to the Lokayuth seeking clarification.
The Sadananda Gowda government wants to know if Santosh Hegde exercised more than the powers granted to him while preparing the illegal mining report. Santosh Hegde has called the government's decision a frivolous excuse.
Initiate suitable action against all public servants, including ministers, whether in office or otherwise.
The lawyer in Justice Santosh Hegde, former Lokayukta of Karnataka, giving answers to each of the questions posed by the Sadananda Gowda government on the illegal mining report he authored in July this year. Days before its deadline to show what action it has taken based on the report, the government has decided to return it to an empty Lokayukta office, waiting for a new chief. Sadananda Gowda asks, why was a chance not given to those named in the report to defend themselves? Can the Lokayukta recommend the removal of a legislator or minister? Can the Lokayukta recommend action against non-officials in absence of a complaint?
These excuses, according to me, are frivolous, absolutely, and just used for the sake of using.
The Lokayukta's report and its recommendations are not binding on the government. However, this move is being seen as a bid to buy time to protect those named in the report, including B.S. Yediyurappa and the Reddy brothers. Sadananda Gowda says the reasons are legal, not political.
I got all the legal opinion from legal experts, constitutional experts. I had been to Delhi for 2 occasions for the same purpose, because the Lokayukta report is a matter of discussion across the public domain. So carefully I should handle this. For that reason, of course, as a politician, you may say that whatever decision taken by me is politically motivated.
The post of the Lokayukta in Karnataka is vacant since the time Justice Shivraj Patil quit office abruptly after a reported housing society scam. A new Lokayukta will be appointed by this government and handed over the report. Until then, B.S. Yediyurappa can have some relief in the illegal mining scam, but then in the land scam, he has more than a dozen cases against him. Radhika Iyer in Bangalore for NDTV.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.